So if you've been thinking about moving to Atlanta, Georgia, or relocating to Atlanta, Georgia, but scared that you'll miss out on a great home, I just found a beauty just for you. This is perfect for a small family or empty nesters who don't want something too big. This Fayetteville, Georgia real estate tour might be the one that you've been looking for. My name is Kaz, and if this is your first time here, I'm a local realtor who helps families in the metro Atlanta area with real estate. If you've been here before, I want to welcome you back. We're in Fayetteville, Georgia, in a quiet community. This home is on one level. It's a ranch with an open layout that feels bright and easy to live in. It even has a bonus sunroom with a private backyard, which is perfect if you like peace and quiet after a long day. What I'm going to do is walk you through every single part of this home so you can see if it's a fit for your life and your budget. And if you're looking for real estate in Fayetteville, Georgia, this is the kind of home that you want to see before it's gone. All the details, the price, the full home specs will be in the description down below. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Also, tell me what you think about this home. Is it too small? Are you looking for something bigger? I could definitely help you out. Just reach out to me. This is what I'm here for. So make sure that you also like and subscribe for more home tours every Thursday at 6 p.m. Now let's go take a look inside. Peace. Thanks for watching this tour. If you are thinking about touring this home in person or starting your own property search, text or email us today. To see more home tours like this, do not forget to like and subscribe. We drop new episodes every Thursday at 6 p.m. And if you need a team that will take care of your needs, if you're buying, if you're selling, or relocating to Atlanta, Georgia, join our community and schedule a call with us today. Thanks again for viewing, and click the video on your screen to see another home tour.